Good morning, everyone. Happy birthday if today is your birthday. I don't know what day it is for you, but it's Tuesday for me. Our day is off to a pretty good start. I woke up feeling really good. I got a really good night's sleep, and yeah, also just ignore me today. Just listen to me. Don't even look at me. No, I'm kidding. Actually, this is gonna be a very important vlog for you to look at me because I'm getting my haircut today. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I'm definitely gonna talk to you guys more about this, but I have to hop on a call in like 5 minutes. Should be pretty long, like an hour minimum. So we'll touch base after that. Being almost an hour and a half long. It was a big one, but it was actually really good, really useful. So can't complain too much. And it's my only call for the day / the rest of the week. Let me confirm. Yes, last call for the week. Connor and I leave for vacation this week in 2 days. And my typical call that I have on Wednesdays already got canceled. So raise the roof. Things are good. So you guys, I'm getting my hair cut today. I am so nervous. I think I talked to you guys a little bit about this already, that I had scheduled an appointment. Sorry, I don't know what all that noise is. But it's with this hairdresser who I just really trust with my hair. At least I sure hope so. But I think it's gonna be really good. And seriously, what is that noise? I don't know. What I'm gonna tell her, I obviously wanna get as much of the straight hair off as possible. I wanna keep as much of the length as possible, just like a little trim to even it up because my hair grows at different lengths on different sides. Very annoying. And then some layers so that it lays a little nicer. And that's sort of what I'm looking for today. But we'll see what happens. I am seriously freaking out. I'm very nervous. So I've done at 3 p.m. I have to leave for that in about 3 hours. So with those 3 hours, here's what I need to do. I need to edit a video and I need to run over to the tailor to go pick up my pants. I think I was vlogging that day when I dropped off the pants. So anyway, I have to pick those up today. Hopefully they're good to go. And then just like some email stuff that I have to take care of right now before I can start editing. Gotta find time to eat lunch in there too. We'll see how long this video takes to edit. That's sort of gonna be the main decider of how this day goes, but should be very interesting. I seriously cannot tell you guys how much of a struggle it's been trying to work out these Sims videos. I mean, I've recorded the same video literally 3 times now. And yesterday I was so sure that I had finally figured it out and I'm having issues. So I think I may have figured out yet another solution here, but TBD. I just spent an hour working on this. I just seriously makes me want to rip my hair out of my head. Oh, it's so stressful. So I think while this all sort of sorts itself out and it's like downloading a ton of stuff, I'm gonna make some lunch. Veggies and dumplings are on the menu today. Looking amazing, I'm very excited. Sorry for the speedy little clip there. I was just on the phone with my dad and so didn't want to, talk too long and really wanted to catch up with him because he tried me this morning. I had tried him over the weekend and so we were playing a little bit of phone tag. Anyway, it is 1:10 p.m. now. I finally figured out the Sims thing. I think, fucking knock on wood, because I have said that probably 10 times in the past 2 weeks and I still have never figured it out. So hopefully this time I really have. Fingers freaking crossed. And it's sort of doing its thing in there. There's a whole converting process. I'm not even gonna bore you with the details, but in the meantime, I'm about to go on a walk really quickly to pick up the pants that I dropped off to get tailored. Then I'm gonna come back here, work a little bit more, then we're gonna head out for a haircut. Look at this. I am nervous. My hair is looking a little bit crazy today though. She's not gonna be impressed with this, but usually it looks better. Check it out, you guys. The tailor that I found is down this little random alleyway here. The first day that I walked down here, I was convinced that I was gonna get murdered, but I wasn't. There's a little sign that says tailor. Looks a lot less scary today because it's less gray out than when I was first here. Back home, got changed quickly and just did like a quick little like hour-ish of work, and now my Uber is almost here to head out to get my hair cut. Should we do like one last look of my hair before? I don't know how much I'm going to be able to vlog once I'm there. I'm gonna feel out the situation, but no promises. So here we go. This is our before. I think I already went over this, but obviously gonna ask her to take off as much of the straight hair as possible, even up the ends, but keep as much length, and then get some layers so that it's a little less boxy, because I got a little bit of a boxy vibe happening right now. So that's the plan. I cannot tell you the amount of anxiety that I have right now, you guys. It is high, like high. But we are just gonna try to roll with the punches, see what happens, and wish me luck. Wish me so much luck. Oh my gosh, I really hope. I'm sure everything will be great, but I'm just so nervous. Whew. Here we go. Well,
look at my rocket.
We have a haircut. You guys, I actually love it so much. I'm very eager to like style it myself and like, you know, get some of my products in there. Sammy also recommended a bunch of other products that she thinks that I should be using on my hair. Definitely told me I should switch on my shampoo and conditioner, so gotta get on that because that's important. But I am obsessed with the shape. She added so many little layers in there. The large majority of the straight hair is off of my head now, which is so exciting. I just love it. I can't wait to start playing with it, styling it. I know, like they look great, right?
Oh, I love it, baby.
They look so good. I love it though. I love it so much.
Me too. I'm such a fan.
Me too. Oh, I'm so glad it worked out. I had such high anxiety.
They're gonna love you in New York.
The lighting is interesting. Yes. But I just wanted to show you guys this package that I got from Liquid IV. Oh my gosh, I'm still like not used to seeing my hair. I am so obsessed with the shape of it. It looks so good. Anyway, yes, got this huge package from Liquid IV. Very large. I did already open it just because I was curious what it was, but it slides out here and it says return to paradise. Da, da, da. Their pina colada flavor is back forever.
Oh yeah.
So good. And they sent a cute little like beachy package to celebrate these little like paddle toys. A little mini sun bum, which is so cute. Of course, the Liquid IV goodies, obviously the pina colada flavor. I really want to try that in a Liquid IV shot, which I know is like the opposite of what Liquid IV is supposed to do, but I feel like combined with alcohol, maybe there's less of a hangover. Nice tote bag, perfect for the beach, shopping. We'll be able to use this for a lot of stuff. And then a cute new water bottle. That hydration life. Cute. We're always using water bottles for random stuff. So there you go. Big thank you to Liquid IV. They always spoil me so much. I will have them linked down below. You guys know my favorite flavor is strawberry, so check that out, but also check out Pina Colada. And now I need to get a little bit more work done, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start on some laundry, and yeah, the rest of this night's gonna be very chill. I'm not gonna vlog too much tonight. Oh, sorry, Molly's litter box is going. I'm not gonna vlog too much tonight. It's our friend Alyssa's coming over, and we're just gonna order some pizza, so I probably won't even vlog while she's here. We're literally doing pizza and Love Island. 10 out of 10. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. Please ignore the random clothes rounds for Connor's drying his laundry. But I thought sort of a fun way to wrap this up is to, you know, try to style my new haircut. So I just washed it for the first time. I can already tell, like, even just with it being wet, that it's just like, it has so much of a better shape. I'm actually so excited about it. I'm like not really seeing straight hair on my head very much at all, which again, so excited. So I definitely did want to wash and style it before I leave for vacation, because I want to make sure that I know what the heck I'm doing with my hair before I'm like in a random place, so I know if I have to get some different products or, you know, just whatever I would need. So we're just gonna try literally our normal routine on my hair here, because my hairdresser Sammy was, you know, pretty happy with what I was doing. All in all, we're just gonna give it a go. I'll give you guys a quick refresh on my routine, but pretty simple. You guys know the drill by now, I'm sure. I start with my The Way curl cream and use a good amount of that just on the side that I'm working on right now. Really make sure we're scrunching it up. Scrunch. Now we're just gonna go in with my Denman brush, do this whole half of my hair, and then we'll hit it with some soft gel, and then repeat. Here we are, halfway done. Gonna grab the soft gel. With this, I use a lot. I've just found like the more that you use, the better that the hair looks. So I literally use like that much on just half of my head, which is a lot, but I'm telling you, it's so good. I just try to sort of distribute it throughout the hair a little bit, especially here, because this hair gets a little crazy in the front here. Okay, and then we just start scrunching. And you'd be surprised how quickly that gel, even that amount of it, gets distributed. I can already tell that my hair is such a different shape than it was before, which I'm loving. And yeah, I will check in with you guys after it's done drying. That way we can sort of see the finished look and evaluate how my hair routine is working. A few hours later, and voila, the hair is dry. I sort of just like flipped it over to give it like a little bit more volume on top of my head here, but they look great after it was dried. I just sort of finger combed it out to give it a little bit more volume, and we are looking good. I really, really love the way that my haircut turned out. I think it looks really great, and I'm excited that there's next to no straight hair left on my head, so now I can just sort of let my hair grow out. I definitely want to grow it out longer, so you know, it's just going to be the growth process sort of from here on out. I can't believe I basically have grown out my entire head of hair. Like, that's it, it's grown out. It's so crazy. What a journey this has been. What a journey. But hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, a little hair transformation. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.